Well, hello, sir. I hope you're doing good. So, for today's practical work, the second practical work, which is about object-oriented programming PHP, we have this library management systems, which is about how to manage books, authors, members, and loans. So, for example, if we enter to manage books, we have the templates to enter our book informations, which is based on classes. So, for example, let's try to enter a book. Okay, and we add the book. So, the author ID here does not exist for a book. So, if we need to add a book, we have first to check if the author ID for authors. We have this author which have 18 author ID. So let's try to add a book with the author ID 18. So this is basically the relationships between books and the authors. And the book is in the list. We have also the option to delete the book. For example, we delete the book that we just have entered, and it's gone. So let's go for the others and try to add an author. And we add an author. And here is the author. We have also the option to delete the author, like the books section. And we go for members, same thing. Enter the ID member as name, address, number phone, and we add the member. Delete the member. And therefore, for the loans, we have the loan ID, date of loan, member ID, and the book ID. So basically, the relationships between loans and book ID is if a book the ID doesn't exist. So basically, we can't loan a book that doesn't exist. So we enter the book ID. I can't remember the ID. So for example, two, and we add the loans. So two does not exist. So let's check the ID of the book that we have. Three. So loans. And here he is. So this is the relationship between the loans and the books. So let's go for the code. So for the code explanation, we have the main page which is TP2.php. It's some simple CSS and HTML lines to display the main page, the links of the sections, and that's it. For the book.php, we have declared the class, the attributes, and as you can see here, we have the list of a book can have multiple authors, so we have a void list here. And then we have the function to create a form, some basic HTML to input the information of the book, the ID, the name, the title, etc. And then we have the function to verify if an author exists in authors.txt. So Basically, we have to look for the author's ID in the author's point txt and verify if the author exists. And then we have the function save book, like its name represents, is to save a book with the post method here uh, to collect the data that have been entered with from the user. And we have the display books. It consists of reading from the file books.txt and shows the data that we have collected in the book list. And then we have the delete book, which consists of reading the file books.txt and verify if the ID that we have entered for the book that we want to delete is there. So we have write to file to overwrite in the box.txt, and we have this one is verification to check if the button deleted was pressed and refresh the page. So that when refresh, so that when we refresh the page, the deleted book is not anymore there. And we have some HTML, CSS, so then we can smooth the page and have a nice interface. As it goes, the same thing for the other PHP. It's basically the same code. We have some changes in the variables names and etc. Basically, have the same functions: display authors and the delete and etc. Remember to and from the line. And that's it. Thank you, sir.